On the 10th of July 1553, Lady Jane Grey was proclaimed Queen of England after her first cousin once removed, the 15-year-old King Edward VI, died of an unknown respiratory problem. Welcome to HistoryPod. The Third Act of Succession was passed by Parliament in July 1543 and restored Henry's daughters, Mary and Elizabeth, to the line of succession after his son Edward and any children that he might have. Jane was the grandniece of Henry VIII through her grandmother, Mary Tudor, Queen of France, who was Henry's sister, and the Act stated that the throne would pass to her line if Henry's own children did not have any descendants. Despite all his father's planning, Edward chose to restrict the succession further. As he lay on his deathbed, he nominated the Protestant Lady Jane Grey as his successor, rather than his older Catholic sister Mary. Historians disagree over how much influence Edward's chief minister, John Dudley, the Duke of Northumberland, and the father of Jane's husband, Lord Guildford Dudley, had had on this decision. Whatever the role of Northumberland in the succession, he travelled to East Anglia after Edward's death in an attempt to intercept Mary and her Catholic supporters. During his absence, the Privy Council switched their allegiance. They proclaimed Mary as Queen 9 days later on the 19th of July and imprisoned Jane in the Tower of London. Parliament declared Jane a usurper. She was tried on charges of high treason and found to be guilty for having signed official documents as Jane the Queen. She was beheaded the following February.